Hello, dear students. I hope you all are safe. IJ Singh from Colonel's Brightland Public School will teach you computer of grade 4. So this is a part 2 video for the chapter 1 input, output and storage devices. So let's start this chapter, students. Output devices. Output devices are used to display the data that we enter into a computer and the result that we get after processing. Monitor. The most common output device is the monitor. It looks like a television. Alright, there the output that we get on the monitor is called the soft copy. There are three types of monitors: CRT monitors, LCD monitors, and LED monitors. CRT monitors के बारे में बात करते हैं आर जनरली लेस एक्सपेंसिव. ये कम महंगे होते हैं बट कंज्यूम मोर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Both CRT and LCD monitors produce sharp images, but LCD monitors have the advantage of being much thinner, lighter, and they consume less electricity. The third type of monitors are LED monitors. ये monitors बहुत हल्के होते हैं. Monitors looks like same as a LCD monitor. These have a better picture quality and more demanding monitors. Speakers are the output devices used to listen music and sound effects from the computer. These may be built into the CPU cabinet or connected with the cables with the CPU. It is an important part of computer system. It prints the output onto a paper. The printed copy is called the hard copy. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix, inkjet and laser printer. Dot matrix की बात करते हैं. The dot matrix printer works like a typewriter and creates an impressions by striking its printing head. It is very noisy and does not produce high quality output. It gives output only in a black and white. The inkjet printer sprays droplets of ink on a paper to form the text and graphics. It is ideally for routine business work and the personal document. It can give output both the black and white and in a color. It produces high quality prints when used with a special paper. The laser printer uses laser beams and dry ink to print. It is used mainly in a publishing houses. It prints very fast and gives high quality output. Some printers also work like a photocopier machine. The laser printer most more than the inkjet printers. Now we will talking about storage devices. Storage devices. The devices which help us to storing the data permanently are called storage devices. We can retrieve the data from these devices whenever needed. Bits and bytes. A computer can understand only two states: 0 on a state on represented by 1, off represented by 0. Now these two digits 0 and 1 are called binary digits or bits. The data is stored in the computer memory in the form of bits and it's measured by bytes. Every computer has a certain amount of memory. The memory capacity determines how much data and instructions can be stored in the computer, either temporarily or permanently. The memory of a computer is of two types. अब ये मेमोरी चार्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. 8 बिट इक्वल टू 1 बाइट होता है. 1024 बाइट्स इक्वल टू 1 किलोबाइट और 1 KB. 1024 KB इक्वल टू 1 मेगाबाइट और 1 MB. 1024 मेगाबाइट इक्वल टू 1 गीगाबाइट और 1 GB. 1024 GB इक्वल टू 1 TB and 1024 terabyte equal to 1 PB petabyte. 1024 PB equal to 1 exabyte, 1 EB. 1024 1 EB equal to 1 zettabyte, 1 ZB. 1024 zettabyte equal to 1 yottabyte, 1 YB. Alright स्टूडेंट, द मेमोरी ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर इज़ ऑफ टू टाइप्स. दो टाइप की मेमोरी होती है. मेमोरी पहली होती है इंटरनल मेमोरी और प्राइमरी मेमोरी, और दूसरी होती है एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी और सेकेंडरी मेमोरी. इंटरनल मेमोरी में दो होती हैं, रैम और रोम. और एक्सटर्नल मेमोरी में हार्ड डिस्क, CD, DVD, ब्लूरे डिस्क, फ्लैश और पेन ड्राइव डिस्क और मेमोरी कार्ड. चलिए बात करते हैं इंटरनल मेमोरी की. फर्स्ट आती है इसमें रैम. इंटरनल मेमोरी इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द प्राइमरी मेमोरी और मेन मेमोरी. इट इज़ यूज टू बिल्ट इन द मेमोरी designed to store data and instructions while the computer is working. The data stored in the internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off. It is always easier to access data or programs from the internal memory, as it is the fast of all form of computer data storage. First, primary memory is of two types. First one is RAM. It stores the information temporarily and works like a blackboard that can be consistently overwritten with the new data. The information stored in the memory is lost when you turn off the computer or the power goes off. That is why RAM is also called the volatile memory. Let's know more. When we start a computer, the operating system is loaded into the RAM. Any software that we run is also loaded into RAM. It means that a computer with more RAM will work faster than a computer with the lesser RAM. Something no more. The amount of RAM installed in a computer affects the number of size of programs that a system can run simultaneously. It is like a calculator where information exists till the calculator is on. The moment you can turn off the calculator, all the data is disappeared. स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस में दूसरी इंटरनेट डिवाइस होती है रोम, रीड ओनली मेमोरी. इट होल्ड द स्टार्टअप इंस्ट्रक्शन दैट prepare the computer. The instructions stored in a RAM cannot be changed but can only be read. It retains the stored information even when the power is off. Therefore, it is called the non-volatile memory. ROM is like an audio disc that can be played, but we cannot record anything on it and except in a few selected circumstances. External memory की बात करते हैं. It is used to store information for a longer period. Data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off. It is also called the secondary memory. The external memory is essential because the internal memory of computer has a limited storage capacity. Alright. In our daily life we use a many storage devices just such as a cupboard, bookshelf, refrigerators, school bag, etc. A computer also uses various storage devices that vary in storage capacity. Is that example hard disk, pen drive, CD, etc. There are permanent or non-volatile storage devices. When we run a program is also copied from the secondary storage into the internal memory. It takes more time to access data from secondary memory as compared to the internal memory. Alright students, now it is the main storage medium for computer. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can be hold large amount of data. Hard disk can store up to 16 TB of data. Nowadays external hard disks are also available which are small in size and can be carried anywhere. कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं आप उसे. Fact file for you student, hard disk was invented by the IBM team led by Ray Johnson. He considered as the father of the hard disk. CD stand for computers compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is the thin, shiny, circular disc that can be stored up to 700 of MB data and measures 4.7 inches in diameters. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images, videos. It can be used for data backup and holding softwares. DVD. The full form of DVD is digital versatile disc or digital video disc. It is an optical storage device used for data storage and for recording movies with high video or sound quality. DVD, the storage capacity of varies from 4.7 to 17 GB. It is a portable flash drive. It is popularly known as the pen drive and the most popular data backup devices. It is a plug and play and device can be connected to the USB universal serial bus port. It is a small, lightweight and removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another computer. Alright, a flash disk can be stored up to 4 TB of data. Thank you very much.